In this video, we are going to construct a trapezium given the length of the parallels, the perpendicular distance between the parallels, and one angle. So first thing, we have our lengths of the parallels AB and CD 160 millimeters respectively. Our perpendicular distance is 30 and our angle BA1 is 60 degrees. So first thing we're going to do on the object layer is construct or draw our line, a matter of fact, AB 100 millimeters. Let's label this line. A. B. Great. Now we go back to the construction layer and using the arc tool, start center end, we're going to construct our angle BA1 60 degrees. Right, and we would have done this in a previous video before. Let's say 40. Describe an arc. We could give this intersection, or where the arc cuts line AB, we could name this O. Alright, so using the same arc tool and O as center, we're going to describe another arc, same 40 distance, to cut this line. Now, where the arcs intersect, this is our 60-degree angle. You would know this from our previous videos. Now we're going to lay out the perpendicular distances. Alright, so where we have snap mode, we go down there, or O snap, we right click and we left click on quadrant. Alright, and what the quadrant will allow us to do is to find the tippy top of that arc. Alright, so we're going to use the arc tools, center, start, end. Let's just use O as center, and the perpendicular distance in this case will be 30. So we're going to describe that arc 30. Lovely. And we're going to use this center, start, end again, and B as center. We're going to describe another arc 30. Lovely. And let's just draw a line where the quadrants are. We're going to lengthen this line to cut A1. Right, so we have this line here, label as A1. So BA1, angle BA1 is 60 degrees. Right, we have that here. Length AB is 100. Now we are going to label this point where this parallel line cuts line A1 so let's label this quickly. and in this case we'll be leaving this C. So from C, or using C as center, we're going to scribe the length or the distance of the perpendicular of the parallel CD 60 millimeters, and that arc is going to scribe here. Now we can use the line tool on the object line layer and connect our points AC, C, D, and DB. Right? Let's just label this point D here. So that's it. This is our trapezium with the two parallels. One is 100 millimeters, the other is 60 millimeters. The perpendicular distance is 30, and finally our angle BA1 is 60 degrees. That's it.